Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Lunar Client on TLauncher. Alright, so let's begin with the video. However, before we begin, the good news is that Lunar Client is now available as a standalone installation, which makes the whole process much easier and avoids unnecessary hassle. Instead, the simpler and cleaner method is to install Lunar Client directly on its own without using TLauncher at all. To do this, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Lunar Client. You'll see the official Lunar Client website, usually listed as the #1 free Minecraft client. From there, click Download button at the top, or click on the Download button here. And then choose your operating system, for it is Windows version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer on your system and click on it to start the installation. The installer will open, allowing you to choose the installation path. Accept the terms and confirm that you are 18 years or older, then proceed with the installation. After the installation finishes, Lunar Client will be fully set up and ready to use. You won't need to deal with TLauncher or any manual file installations. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Lunar Client on TLauncher. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.